Imagine a place so ancient that your great-great-great-grandpa would be considered the new guy on the block. That's China for you. And today, we're going to speedrun thousands of years of its history in just a few minutes. Ready? Let's go. We begin our journey at the Yellow River. Picture early humans gathered around a fire, thinking, fire good, me genius. And just like that, congratulations, China level 1 has been unlocked. Small villages start popping up, families grow larger and more powerful, and then boom, dynasties are born. Now, a dynasty is basically just one powerful family standing up and shouting, "We're in charge now!" And they stay in charge until another family comes along and yells even louder. The first really famous winners of this shouting match for the Shang, what were they known for? Well, they wrote on turtle shells. Seriously, turtle shells. Think of it as ancient text messaging. After the Shang, the Zhou dynasty shows up. They come up with this brilliant idea called the Mandate of Heaven. This basically means, I'm the king because the sky sent me an email saying so. And surprisingly, everyone else just went. Okay then, but peace doesn't last forever. Soon, everything breaks apart. We get 7 major kingdoms and absolutely zero chill. This period is known as the Warring States. It was like a massive, real-life historical battle royale. Then a man named Qin Shi Huang enters the scene, acting like the strictest school principal you've ever met. He's all like, quiet down, sit down, China is now one country. He standardizes everything, money, writing, even the width of roads. And he starts building a wall so massive you can probably see it from your stress dreams. Next up, the Han Dynasty arrives. They were like the popular influencers of their time. They open up the Silk Road, which was essentially the world's first international shopping mall. You could find silk, spices, and new ideas, just no free Wi-Fi. After the Han, China plays a long game of musical chairs with its emperors until the Tang Dynasty takes over, and with them, Golden Age mode is unlocked. Poetry, art, incredible inventions, the whole country basically becomes a genius. Following the Tang, the Song Dynasty invents paper money and the compass. That's basically like giving the world to major software updates, but just when things are going great. The Mongols arrive on their horses, basically saying, "Nice empire you've got here, we'll take it." And just like that, welcome to the Yuan dynasty. Eventually, China takes back control with the Ming dynasty. Think big palaces, big naval fleets, and a big flex. An admiral named Zhang, he sails massive treasure ships across the oceans, pretty much just to show off how awesome China is. Finally, the Qing dynasty takes over. They were the last emperors, and the whole imperial system finally taps out in the early 1900s. And there you have it, the history of China in a nutshell. From early humans poking at fire, to epic dynasty battles, to world-changing inventions, all part of one giant civilization speedrun. If you enjoyed this quick trip through time, make sure to like and subscribe for more history that even your little cousin can understand. Thanks for watching.